Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of portray. Depict someone or something in a work of art or literature. For example, the author wanted to portray a new type of hero. American pronunciation. Portray. Portray. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Portray. Say. Portray. Portray means depict person or thing in work of art or literature. Portray. Portray. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The author also skillfully portrays non-events. Now, repeat after me. The author also skillfully portrays non-events. The second practice. An artist himself, Bridges was drawn to portraying an illustrator. Now, repeat after me. An artist himself, Bridges was drawn to portraying an illustrator.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.